So we've had NFP data reaction, then gold bounced back up beautifully. It's pushed through this 15-minute. We've pulled back into a pullback zone on the Slingshot ASB, and we are in a long trade at type 1 buy. Even though this is a relatively slow time frame, a Unirenko 412.20, it did happen reasonably fast, so just jumped on to do this recording now. We're at 20-ish ticks profit right now, and obviously we're on one contract with gold, so the target will always target 2 here where my cursor is for a 1 contract version on the Slingshot, because that is the highest probability target. We just look at the strategy, looking at where there we just had there, so we just went through the stop loss just went to risk free. Just going to check that there. You see 30 ticks is the trigger to go risk free there. So the trade is now risk free, and that's the main thing when we're looking at this. Now that's all going to be different for different chart sets, different chart types and speeds. So this, when we've optimized this particular chart set, it's 30 ticks. Once we're clear of 30 ticks, it's more likely to go on and hit those targets, which it just did. Okay, so we entered that trade at 2714.2, and we exited the trade at 2717.9. So we're nearly 40 ticks trade there, $400 profit very, very quickly. One thing to note is this was a market buy, because we have the buffer included in this particular automated strategy builder, purely because sometimes when we get those fast moves, a standard stock market order doesn't get the trade, it just moves too fast. So we have what's called a buffer, which switches to the market order, which it did very well in this situation. So again, check the links out below for all of the automated strategy builders for the NinjaTrader platform. Slingshot is just one, but Slingshot is a great strategy post NFP, because you get those moves, it rebounds, and then you just get those pullbacks, and that's what Slingshot's for, is to measure those pullbacks and then slingshot that trade in the same direction. Check out those links below.